Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're not new and you're a return customer, you already know I love you. A couple shout outs today. The first one is to Nathan's Mopar Garage. And it's not just Chrysler vehicles he works on. He can even work on lawnmowers. And every now and then you'll see a tool review as well.
A Junkyard find, 1987 Chrysler Fifth Avenue. Doesn't look terrible. A little crusty on the bottom. Well, that's from the junkyard or from the end of the road. Colors don't look too bad.
So go check him out. I think you would like his video. I know I do. The second one is the Rusty Rooster. And he is a funny guy. But go check out the Rusty Rooster.
What are y'all doing? Where the devil you been, son? Hey! I got me a little old Briggs and scrapple motor over here. Got fired. Won't run. It was fun. I think you ought to share in the joy. Take a look what old Rooster did.
Down to earth guy. And he supports a lot of channels. I think you're going to like these two channels. I know I do. And do me a favor. While you're there, if you do subscribe, let them know that you came from this channel, because it's nice to get that little warm feeling when you know that you help somebody in just a little tiny way. Thanks, guys.